Dougie, we did it. Dougie, we did it. Someone actually commented on one of our videos that I had the absolute worst weight loss channel on YouTube. And you know what? They are right. It is the worst weight loss journey channel. It shows the worst of losing weight. Okay, here it goes again. Week 7, my weight loss journey. Will Dougie be good to me this week? Come on now, Dougie. Don't make me use this hammer. Dougie, you came through. I am so sorry I had to bring out the hammer. Wow, what a great week. I went to a good buddy of mine's custom van shop for fun and to explore. And this week, I lost weight. But how much did I lose? Stick around and join my weight loss journey. I pulled out my winter jacket for most of the walks this week, and I admit that yesterday, I didn't go walking. It was super windy and rained most of the day. I know it sounds like an excuse, but I know that if I went walking, even with the umbrella, I would have gotten cold and wet anyways. One of the things I'm trying to remind myself is this: don't overdo it. That's one of my biggest problems. I go so hard that I burn out or hurt myself, or I just completely fall off the wagon, binge, and quit. So yesterday, it was one of those days where I had to ask myself, am I being lazy? How will this affect my weight loss journey? What happens if I get a cold from forcing myself to walk in these conditions? And am I doing my usual where I just grind and then quit? So I decided it was better for me not to chance it and take a day off from walking. So instead of doing my walk, I decided to go through my video footage of my upcoming video. I'm super excited to get it done. On Wednesday, I went to a good friend of mine's custom van shop. Hey everybody, this is Van, and this is David, my good buddy over here at Quality Van Adventure. Oh shit, I said it wrong.
Quality Adventure Custom Vans.
He makes these awesome tiny houses on vans for people who want to live on wheels. There's a huge genre of YouTube channels called van life, where people disconnect from the world or connect to the world in a mobile lifestyle. Some people get into the van life for adventure, career, or simply retiring. And talking about the van life tour at my buddy's shop, it was part of my weight loss journey. If you are new here, let's take a quick look at my very brief 5-step plan. So as you can see, this week, my number 5 step was having fun and discovering the behind the scenes of the van life creation with my friend David. Stay tuned for that video. Also, there's a link in the description below that will take you to my channel page where you can learn more about my weight loss journey plan. Okay, are you ready for my weight loss reveal? I did lose weight. I can't tell really in my face, but I did notice that my watch isn't as tight on my wrist this week. So how much did I lose? Take a moment and pause the video and put your guess in the comment box below. I'll give you a moment. Okay, got your guess in? Let's take a look. Yes, we did it. I lost 1.2 pounds this week. Dougie, come here, little buddy. Give me a hug. Here's Dougie. Poor Dougie. We did it, Dougie. We did it. We did it, buddy. So let's take a look at my fancy dancy Excel sheet and see where we're at. Okay, here we are, week 7, and let's put it in, 243.8 pounds, and the lost weight that we have is minus 1.2 pounds for this week. And then our total loss is 10.9 pounds. That's officially more than that initial 10.1 pounds that we've lost. So now we're finally going, or at least moving ahead. And as you can see, our first week, 254.7 down to 244.6. And then we went through that whole 3 to 4 weeks of rising weight. And now we're finally back down. And here, Now we're going to be moving to next week, which is week 8, and my goal is to lose 2 pounds again. Last week we were shooting for 2 pounds, but we still made it 1.2. And let's see here. We have 10.9 total pounds, and we have 83.8 pounds left to go. So I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much, everyone. I still can't believe it. I'm down 1.2 pounds this week and weighing in at 243.8 pounds. I've lost a total of 10.9 pounds in 7 weeks, which averages to 1.6 pounds per week. And I have 83.8 pounds left to go to hit my 160-pound target. Yes! I also want to give you a channel update as well. This channel officially started with my first post on September 14th, 2022. It's been 9 weeks since I started the channel, and my official weight loss journey started 7 weeks ago. Up to the 5th week, I had 29 followers and 174 views. But in the last 3 weeks, our channel has grown to 376 subscribers with 162,224 views. In the last 48 hours, we had 21,161 views. This channel isn't about me. It's about us. It's about you. I started this weight loss journey because I was failing so miserably at losing weight that as a last resort, I started this channel for accountability. And in creating this channel, I wanted to help anyone who has ever struggled with losing weight. I've watched a lot of YouTube weight loss channels, and honestly, many of those channels depressed me. They make it look so easy. My weight loss channel simply is me showing you my battle with weight, diabetes, high blood pressure, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So I don't have the sexiest, ripped weight loss channel on YouTube. I get it. Someone actually commented on one of our videos that I had the absolute worst weight loss channel on YouTube. And you know what? They are right. It is the worst weight loss journey channel. It shows the worst of losing weight, the constant want to quit, the constant roller coaster, the hypocrisy of saying all the right things but doing all the wrong things. So for now, I do have the worst weight loss channel on YouTube. But you know what? I'm having an amazing time doing it and sharing it with you all. I may fail, but I hope you stick around because I need your help. And if you stick around, I'll stick around harder. And maybe we can help someone reach that dream of theirs of being healthy and happy with their weight. If you enjoyed this week's weigh-in, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, in the link on the screen, check out my weight loss journey plan video. And in the description below, I have links to my channel so you can check out previous weigh-in weeks. For now, thank you again, and I appreciate all of your support. I'm Van. See you next time, and cheers.